You hear it over and over. You need to be selling yourself in your job search. But that advice is only telling half the story. Companies aren't going to hire you just because you're great. They're going to hire you because you were great for them. Welcome to day 9 of the 12 days of job searchmas, where for 12 straight days, you will receive a golden nugget of job search wisdom that will help you land a job faster in the new year. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a day. Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm here to take your job search from stressful to successful. And today I am wearing a very comfy pair of Christmas PJs that I found at a thrift store years ago, brand new for a tenth of the price. And I love a good deal. And speaking of good deals, I actually have a free workshop coming up in January, and really can't beat free, that is geared to help you level up your job search in 2026. So if you're interested, then just click the link below. Instead of focusing on selling yourself, you need to be focusing on selling yourself as the best solution to the company's needs. Because remember, every job opening is open because they have a need, and you need to show up as that specific fit for that specific need. Imagine you are a 40-something-year-old woman with 2 kids still at home, and you're caring for aging parents as you are working full-time, and you want to get back into shape. So you interview 2 personal trainers. One starts with how they have 20 years of experience, they have a certification from NASM, they've worked for big fitness clubs, they've worked one-on-one with clients, and they are the best personal trainer out there. And now compare them to personal trainer number 2, who also has 20 years of experience, but 15 of those years are working specifically with women in their mid-30s to mid-50s. So they understand the unique challenges that they face. Perimenopause, caregiving for both children at home and for aging parents, balancing work life, family life, while also carving out time for you to focus on your own health needs. And instead of just ending it with, yes, I'm a great personal trainer, they then tell you how it works if you worked with them, how they would get to know you in your unique situation, the best ways that you stay motivated, the time that you have to commit to the program. And at that point, you would discuss how you are going to get from where you are to where you want to be. And that's the difference between selling yourself and selling yourself as a solution. If you simply sell yourself, you're just keeping it all about you. But you need to concentrate on showing up as the best fit for their specific needs, for the company, for the position, for the team. It's going to look really different if you're applying for a position in a nonprofit as opposed to a startup, or if the team that you're looking to manage is a 3-person team that is always in the office as opposed to a 50-person team that is global. That's why it's so important for you to understand and do as much research as you can so you understand their unique situation. And when you do that, trust me, you are going to stand out above the average job seeker. My action item for you today is to take a job description that you have either applied to or you are interested in applying to and look at it through the lens of what their specific needs are. And then I want you to think about how you can show up as the best solution to their needs. I will see you over in day 10 of the 12 days of job searchmas. And if you missed day 8, you can check it out up here.